Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you Bahamian bread pudding. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. Okay, let's begin. I have some bread, stale bread. I don't want to throw them out, but I'm just going to use them to make this pudding today. So I'm just taking them out of the packages, and then I'm going to pinch them up, break them up into small pieces, just like so. Nice hot dog and burger buns. But you can use the sliced bread, but this is what I have, so I'm working with this today. Just get them all mashed up, all ready, just like that. These were just in the fridge, just lying around, taking up space. Now I'm going to add some milk to this. I'm using evaporated milk, but feel free to use the fresh milk right out of the refrigerator. But I'm using Carnation evaporated milk. That's about a half a tin. Next is one egg, one large egg. A little bit of cinnamon. Not much cinnamon now because this is very powerful. Vanilla flavoring. All right, that should do it. How about a pinch of salt? Okay. Now the sugar. This scoop is 1/3 of a cup, so I'm going to use one white and one dark brown sugar. One scoop of this. Pack it in nicely. Now I have dried raisins, but if you have the regular raisins, feel free. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this, about a half of a cup. Now you can also add coconuts to this recipe as well. Okay, now I'm just going to give this a little mixing before adding the butter. And I can't believe it's not butter. But you can use margarine if you wish. So I'm not going to add the entire stick, just about 3/4 of that. Okay. That's the butter. Nice mixing. Everything mixed together. And then I'm going to add some water, but I'm not going to add all of the water one time. Just to get the bread nice and wet. All right. This is Bahamian bread pudding. The rest of the water, that was just a half a cup of water. Now everything is wet. Now if I was adding coconuts, this is where I would have added the coconuts in. The angel hair coconuts, I prefer those right out of the food store in the bag, already grated. That's what I normally add to this. Next is the flour. 1 cup of this. Now with the flour, the more flour you add, the stiffer the bread pudding. The less amount of flour you add, the softer it would be. But I like my bread pudding a little firm, so I'm adding a full cup of flour. Then I'm going to bring it home. So this is dessert. Like I said, bringing the restaurant home today again. This is bread pudding. And we're going to have this with some whipped cream, or if they don't want whipped cream, they can have ice cream at the top. Vanilla ice cream. All right. That's it. That's a thumbs up. That's the signal. And it smells wonderful. This is Bahamian bread pudding. So the texture depends on you. Now I'm preparing the pan, baking dish. Gonna put some Pam in it. Pam in the pan. Pam spray. Nice and buttered. All right. So my oven is already preheated at about 350 degrees. This is gonna go on the middle rack for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now this is gonna be somewhat firm, not runny. I don't like it soft, but it depends on you. Okay, that's after 20 to 25 minutes. There you have it. That's Bahamian bread pudding. Oh my word, look at it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.